guys. Hi. Today I have this huge jumbo bear. Not Care Bear, sorry, I almost said Care Bear. Like, I'm just gonna put you guys down and hear how clicky this is. Like, I don't care if you see black. I do, but I'm gonna show you how, like, sticky this is. Listen. I don't know what you're talking on fleek. So I'm just gonna put this in the freezer. This adorable bear and see what happens because it's not that slow rising. We're obviously gonna be different, so I'm gonna put this in the fridge and see what happens. Wait a second. There it is. Is that open? Okay. So guys, we put that in the freezer. I'm gonna wait till 11:20. Actually, I'm gonna wait till like 11:30 or something. And I'll see you guys then. But anyway, like, I'm gonna show you the time because as you can see currently now, the time it is 11:50, and I will be back. I will be, like, you can literally see my face, but yeah. So I will see you guys. I will see you guys at 11:30, and I will show you. So I'll see you then. I said see you then. Hi guys, I'm gonna wait till 11:20 or 35. I don't know. I'll see you at any of those times. Hey guys, we're back, and it's 11:30. I'm gonna go get the squishy from the freezer. Guys, it's so hard. You don't even know. I'm gonna flip you guys. So it's like so hard. You don't even know. But it's slow rising now. Okay. But it's slow rising. Now the eyes kind of faded. Wait 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back, and here it is. I like my decision here. So thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have been so much support to my channel. I'm really grateful that I just got to even 1 subscriber. And now I'm like triple times that. Not triple times 1, but yeah, I'm so happy that you guys are subscribing to my channel. And make sure to subscribe to my brother's channel, Alex. Oops, guys, this is so addicting. Okay, so anyway, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. You guys need to see the live ones. So I love you guys so much. Josie Pops, goodbye.